Have you ever wondered how that delicious ruby red pomegranate juice in your fridge is made? It's a lot more high-tech than you might think. Today we're going on an exclusive tour inside a state-of-the-art pomegranate factory to uncover the entire journey from fresh fruit to finished bottle. Trust me, you'll never look at a glass of pomegranate juice the same way again. It all starts in the orchard, where pomegranates are hand-picked at the peak of ripeness. It's only the best fruits make the cut. Once they arrive at the factory, the first stop is the receiving area. Huge bins filled with thousands of shiny red pomegranates are unloaded. The air here is filled with a sweet, earthy scent. Quality control is crucial from the very beginning. Inspectors check the fruits for any signs of damage or spoilage. Anything that doesn't meet the strict standards is sorted out. Next, the pomegranates embark on a wild ride through a washing station. Think of it like a giant fruit car wash. High-pressure water jets and rotating brushes thoroughly clean each pomegranate, removing any dirt or debris from the orchard. It's mesmerizing to watch them tumble and turn, emerging sparkling clean on the other side. This step is essential for ensuring the final product is pure and safe. Now for the most magical part, getting the seeds or arils out of the tough pomegranate peel. Doing this by hand is a notoriously messy and time-consuming job, but modern factories have an ingenious solution. The clean pomegranates are fed into a special machine called a deshiller or a reel remover. This machine gently cracks open the fruit and uses a combination of vibration and air jets to separate the juicy arils from the bitter peel and pith. It's incredible to see the machine work so precisely, separating the valuable red jewels from the white membrane without crushing them. The separated arils then travel along a conveyor belt for another round of inspection. This time, a combination of human eyes and advanced optical sorters get to work. These high-speed cameras can detect any remaining bits of peel, membrane, or underripe arils, and tiny puffs of air instantly remove them from the line. It's a dazzling display of technology ensuring only the highest quality arils move on to the next stage. It's all about purity. With our perfect arils collected, it's time to extract that precious juice. The arils are moved into a giant press. There are different types of presses, but many modern factories use a gentle membrane press. Imagine a huge balloon slowly inflating inside a cylinder full of arils. This method gently squeezes the arils, extracting the juice without crushing the bitter seeds inside. This is key to getting that sweet, slightly tart flavor we all love without any bitterness. The vibrant, deep red juice flows out, ready for the next step. The freshly pressed juice isn't ready for bottling just yet. It first goes through a filtration process. The juice is passed through a series of fine filters to remove any tiny solids or pulp, resulting in a crystal clear liquid. This step ensures a smooth texture and a longer shelf life. It looks like liquid rubies flowing through the pipes. It's pure, unadulterated pomegranate goodness. After filtration, we come to a critical step for safety and preservation: pasteurization. The juice is quickly heated to a specific temperature for a very short period and then rapidly cooled down. This process, known as flash pasteurization, eliminates any harmful bacteria without significantly affecting the juice's flavor, color, or nutritional value. It's a delicate balance, and the temperature and timing are controlled with incredible precision by computers. Now that the juice is pure, clear, and safe, it's finally ready to be bottled. The bottling line is a symphony of automated machinery. Sterilized bottles march in a single file line. Filling machine dispenses the exact amount of pomegranate juice into each bottle with lightning speed and zero spillage. Immediately after, a capping machine seals each bottle tightly to lock in the freshness. You can see the bottles moving so fast it's almost a blur. But wait, we're not quite done. After being sealed, the bottles get their labels. A labeling machine precisely wraps each bottle with the brand's label, providing all the information you see in the store. Some bottles might also get a production date and batch code printed on them for traceability. This means if there's ever an issue, the factory can trace that specific bottle all the way back to the batch of fruit it came from. The finished, labeled bottles are then packed into cases by robotic arms. These robots work tirelessly, packing boxes with speed and accuracy that would be impossible to match by hand. The packed cases are stacked onto pallets, wrapped for stability, and then moved into a temperature-controlled warehouse, ready for shipment. From here, they will travel to grocery stores, and eventually to your home. So there you have it. From a sun-ripened fruit on a tree to a refreshing, healthy drink in a bottle. The journey is a perfect blend of nature's goodness and human ingenuity. It's a process that combines careful hand selection with cutting-edge technology to create the premium pomegranate juice we enjoy. The level of care and precision at every single step is truly remarkable. Thanks for joining me on this fascinating factory tour. I hope you found it as interesting as I did. What other food factory processes would you like to see? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes content. I'll see you next time.